Welcome to Circle Line Art School, where you can learn to draw from scratch using a range of drawing techniques, often focusing on perspective drawing. My name is Tom McPherson, and I'm an artist and founder of Circle Line Art School. My aim is to help and encourage as many people as I can to develop their drawing skills, drawing using two-point perspective. Draw a horizontal line across the middle of your page. Next, we can draw the two vanishing points, one on the far right and one on the far left, on the horizon line. Now we can draw a vertical line which crosses the horizon line on the right-hand side of the drawing, and this will be the nearest corner of the building. Next, we can draw a guideline to the left vanishing point from the base, and then another guideline from the top of the vertical line to the left vanishing point. Then we can repeat that with two more guidelines to the right vanishing point, one from the top of the vertical line and one from the base of the vertical line. Now we can draw another vertical line on the left-hand side to show the far left of the building. Next, we can draw yet another vertical line on the right to show the far right of the building. Now we can start to add some of the structure to the building. We can start by drawing a line to the right vanishing point from the first central vertical line, and then we can draw another line to the left vanishing point. So that will be like a roof platform at the top of the building. Next, we can divide the space on the left by drawing another vertical line. And then where the vertical line meets the receding line to the left vanishing point, we can draw another line which is receding to the right vanishing point. And then wherever we stop this receding line, we can continue it at another angle using the left vanishing point. And then at the point where it reaches the right receding line, we can draw another vertical line going downwards to the base of the building. Then we can draw another line going to the left vanishing point, and then another vertical line, so we've got an interior wall of the building. And then we can finish it off with one more diagonal line to the right vanishing point. Next, we could draw a line to the right vanishing point, and then a vertical line, and then another line to the right vanishing point. So we can draw another line to the left vanishing point, another upright line, and then another line from the edge here to the left vanishing point. So we're sort of making a shape within the structure, using the vanishing point each time. So if the lines are receding to the right, use the right vanishing point, and if the lines are receding to the left, we just need to trust and use the left vanishing point. And all the vertical lines need to stay vertical. So now we've got the basic structure of the building. I think on the left-hand side, I'll make a shape which recedes to the left vanishing point because it's parallel lines going away to the left. But then I need the right vanishing point to show where the thickness of this new shape would recede to the right. And then the vertical line will stay vertical. And then to finish this part off, I need to use the left vanishing point for these receding lines which are going left. So in this drawing, there are only three types of lines: vertical lines, lines receding to the left vanishing point, and lines receding to the right vanishing point. I think the building looks a little small, so I can extend the building by drawing a line going to the right vanishing point, which is lower than the top of the roof, and then another receding line going to the right vanishing point, which is higher than the base of the front of the building, and then add a vertical line at the end. So for this extension, we could add another indented area by drawing a vertical line, and then two lines receding to the right vanishing point. And then we can make that into a window, but it could be receding. So to make it receding, we use the left vanishing point for two lines showing the depth towards the left, another vertical line, and then two lines going to the vanishing point on the right. So now I think that is the basic shape that I want for this modern building. We can use an eraser and erase all the guidelines that we no longer need, and we can erase the horizon line that was going through the building, because now the building is in front of the horizon. Next, we can add some shading. For this drawing, I'm going to shade the downward-facing surfaces a dark tone, and then the surfaces that are facing towards the right, I can shade those in with a lighter tonal value. You could add some details to the windows, a door, and a pathway using the vanishing points in this drawing of a modern house using two-point perspective. So it's two-point perspective because it has two vanishing points on the horizon.